So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 5 of my embroidery journey. So in the last day 4 we learned about how to do the French knot, and in today's day we'll learn how to do the lazy daisy. Okay, so lazy daisy is a combination of two things. One thing is the French knot and then the chain stitch. So chain stitch and the French knot together forms a lazy daisy pattern. Okay, so are you excited? So I am. So if you're new to the channel and not subscribed to my page and interested, kindly do it, like, share and subscribe. So let's start the video. So I have taken the same hook. So today let's try how to do lazy daisy. Okay, so let me get my pen. So basically daisy means it's a flower, so just I'll point out so that it will be easier for us. Okay, this might be the center here. Okay, let's do only 4 side as of now. Okay, so this I have just pointed in my pen. So what I will do is I will take the thread. I have took green thread. Okay, just for the practice. So I will insert the needle in the center. Okay, in order to lazy daisy is a combination of French knot and then the chain stitch. Okay, so I have taken this. So in order to do the chain stitch, we have to insert the needle again near to that center location. Okay, then you will pull. Okay, let me pull the. Okay, so French knot from the back side. I will try to bring the needle from here and then I will pull it. Okay, so in order to end this, insert the needle from front and then pull that. Okay, so this is done. Now to the another side. So what I will do again, will try to insert the needle, then nearby. Okay, hold like this. Nearby I will try to insert the needle again, then I will try to pull this. Okay, this is the chain stitch to do the petals. Okay, I will insert from here, then I will pull this. Okay, then I will insert from here. Same pattern. Now to the other side, I will insert from here, then I will hold with my thumb. I will insert again. Okay, next. Now I will insert in from this hole and I will pull this. Okay, to secure this, insert, make a normal stitch. Now I'll turn, come back again. Now insert from here, then just slightly at the different hole I have pulled this. Now same distance I will pull this. Okay, then I will secure this. Okay, now I will bring the needle in the center. Okay, this is the center. Okay, I have bring from the center. Now let's do the French knot. Now the needle make 2 turns. Okay, then I will try to insert from here. Okay, so now I will try to pull this. See, secure, right? If you want to make multiple, you can do. I will, let me make 2. Let's see how it looks. Then I will make 2. 1, 2. Okay. Then pull. Now I will turn. Okay, Let's make the knot. Let's try to make neat coming in the next videos. So we have completed the French knot and the lazy daisy. So in this video you are able to understand lazy daisy is a combination of French knot and the chain stitch. Okay, so French knot is done and then the chain stitch combination lazy daisy is completed. We have completed the pattern lazy daisy here today. And if you are new to the channel and want to subscribe, then kindly subscribe, like, share and comment and join my journey. Thank you for all the support you have been giving. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Let's watch the next video. Bye bye.